Lishonile wena wekunina sikwamukele Tindzaba tesiSwati listed khoma like SABC 1. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi live kati le-Afrika libukene netingqinamba letinkulu letitana lokuguquguquka kwesimo selitulu wende libito lokuthi emave emhlaba asekende tindvo letiphathekako kulisana nalesimo. Mengameli bekakhuluma engcungcutheleni yekuguquguquka kwesimo selitulu lebanjelwe eGibhithe eSharm el-Sheikh.
Bemhlaba njengoba dzingidza tinqumo letathathwa eScotland eGlasgow nyakenye. Kepha i-COVID-19 kanye nalemi lichubeka e-Ukraine kuthi kamete yomnotho emhlabeni kwagcina kwenda nemave kuthi angasakhona ukugcina dethembiso tawo. Lamanye emavela adla lizambane lapondo asabwa ukuthi yini langakwenda kunonophisa tinhlelo tawo kulokuguquguquka kwesimo selitulu.
We can no longer afford any further delays in mitigating the effect of climate change. African countries are losing between 3 to 5% of their GDP due to the effects of climate change.
Mengameli wende lubito kulamavela adla lizambane lapondo kuthi agcina dethembiso tawo.
There is agreement that for transitions to be just, vulnerable workers and vulnerable communities need to be included in designing just solutions. The South African Cabinet recently endorsed our National Just Energy Transition Investment Plan as a basis for our pathway towards a low-carbon, climate-resilient society.
Lamavela sathuthuka ahlabela amavela adla zambane lapondo netinkampani tawoyela ngokuthi ngiyo labenda ukuthi kube nalokuguquguquka kwesimo selitulu.
Like the rest of Africa, is ready to prioritize renewable energy. We do this for our own future. The point is not to generate carbon credits so that others can continue using coal, even as Africa is discouraged from exploiting its fossil fuel resources.
Jalo mapala nejikelelo wamhlaba hlangene Antonio Guterres ucele baholi bemave ukuthi basebenzisane kuze lo mhlaba ungashisi uze ugcine ufika ngentulu 1.5 degrees.
I-ANC ifinyelele emaphesentini langetulu kwemashumi lasiphohlongo kumagatsha ayo yaba nemhlangano lebe impumelelo velonke engcungcutheleni yemashumi lasihlanu nesihlanu ngenyanga yeNgongoni kanzi nemkhakha liyahlukene kuleli cembu nayo ikhethe labatawongenela lobuholi. Luphiko lwebantfu labasikade likhethe Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma bese lebantfu labasha laselikhetha Dr. Zweli Mkhize. Bomkanjubovu bona bakhethe kubuyisela losesikhundleni Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa.
In December comrade sinethuba lokuyokhetha ubuholi obusha.
Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa wahlangana nembila yithutha enqungqutheleni yobuholi besifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal nokuyisizinda esisekela uDokotela uZweli Mkhize. Amagatsha e-ANC asekulungele manje ukubamba inqungquthela yeqembu likazwelonke. Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa usekela yifunda eziyishagalombili, uphiko lentsha kanye nobakade bebona bomzabalazo. Isifundazwe esikhulukazi kwaZulu Natal kanye nophiko lentsha lisekela uDokotela uMkhize.
We have nominated Dr. Zweli Mkhize for president. We nominated Comrade Paul Mashatile to be the deputy president.
Uhlalo kazwelonke we-ANC uGwede Mantashe uthi kunabaholi beqembu ekungamele bekhethwe kodwa bakhethwa ngoba besekela umholi othandwa ngamagatsha eqembu.
We must desist from this issue of looking at a faction leader and give a faction leader fellow travelers.
Wasabambile njengonobhala jikelele we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi sebeme ngomumo ukubamba inqungquthela yangozibandlela.
By Monday this week we were sitting above 80% of branches that have now gone through successfully. I think, if I'm correct, about 82%. We will count then what happened until last night hopingly we might even get to 86-88%.
Amagatsha e-ANC ngozibandlela azoba nethuba lokukhetha ubuholi obusha beqembu ukuzama ukuthi i-ANC iqhubeke nokuhola eNingizimu Afrika ngo-2024. Ngingusamkele Maseko ngibekela izindaba ze-SABC eGoli.
Iqembu le-ANC ekurulini lithi litimisele futhi litibophelele ekutheni libe licembu leliphikisako kulo masipala lokuthi ngemva ukuthi Tanya Campbell we-DA aphinza abuyisele esikhundleni njengasodolobha kulo masipala wasekuruleni.
Campbell wehlulejwe ngezizwe Dlabathi ngekuthola amavoti alikhulu na-24 kumavoti angama-224. Dlabathi uthola amavoti angama-94. Kubeka ukuthi inkulumo emkhathini we-ANC ne-EFF iphundile emvosini komidi esedulu kwe-ANC eGauteng lomhla ekuseni lichitha isiphakamiso sokuthi kukhethwe ilunga le-EFF kulesikhundla sasodolobha.
When we tabled the proposals on the motion of on the core governance, all our proposals, I think they were shot down. They were not acceptable, and we felt that as a party that is in charge of 76 wards out of 112, it would be irresponsible of us not to then field our candidate.
Kulokugcoka kwakhe Campbell ubonga amaqembu abambiselene nabo wathi ke kusuka nyayo lokumgcoka kwethulela abantu basekuruleni Tindzaba.
Firstly, I'd like to thank all the coalition partners that voted with us, and we stood strong. We had a plan, we still have a plan, and that is to serve the residents of Ekurhuleni. It is a pity that 2.5 weeks has been wasted where emergency plans have to be put in place for service delivery. However, we will be hitting the ground running.
Endzabeni SABC ngimusidumo Dlamini ngibika ngiseJozi.
Indvuna yaphambilini yetekuvikeleka kwelive Bongani Bongo isole umbuso ngekhodula tinyawo ecaleni layo lekukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo. Bongo nalabanye labalishumi nakunye bebavele kancane enkantolo yemacala etemabhizinisi embombela kanzi bebavele ngemacala la-60 lafaka ekhatsi kukhwabanisa kunjishisana ngemali lengcolile ngalokungekho emthethweni nekwephula umthetho wekulawulwa kwetimali.
Bonke basoda labalishumi nesiphohlongo bekathe basenkantolo lokufaka ekhatsi tinkampani nendvuna yaphambili yetekuvela kwelive Bongani Bongo balingani bakhe nemnakabo. Kepha-ke ngaphambi kwekucala kwelicala umsolo wesithupha Blessing Singwane ucele umbuso ukuthi umniketele imininingwane njengoba ushintshe bameli. Kepha-ke Bongo usola ukuthi umbuso uhudula tinyawo kulolu dzaba.
With regard to my case, I have everything. I'm just waiting for the state to give its side of the story. So other accused were not given necessary document by the state. I think because the state investigation started 2012, it shouldn't be a difficult thing for the state just to give those documentation. I think it's an indication again that the state is never ready to proceed.
Kusolakala ukuthi labasola benyusa ngalokwecile insengo yamaplaza amabili egameni labomasipala ababili kulesifundza. Lamaplaza athengwa aphinza athengiselwa uhulumende ngemizuzwana lembalwa. Eplazini lilinye litiwe ekuhlariswa kwabantu lakhokha imali ngu-37.5 million kepha umnikati weliplaza wathola 15 million amarandi. Kuthiwa le mali yasala yase ifakwa kuma-akhawunti lebekade alawulwa ngilomnyaka labasolwa. Bongo lebekade ayinhloko yetemthetho lelitiko uyaphika ukuthi uyathinzeka kuloku solo uma ekutheni lelicala liyamene netepolitiki.
This has nothing to do with criminal investigation whatsoever. It's a politically motivated case.
Umbuso uthembise ukuthi utawuvetela imininingwane ledzingeka ungakafiki lesihlanu waseticisa insolo tabhongo ukuthi lokuhliswa kwelicala ukuthi indlela ekubambela kuchubeka kwalo.
We have various state witnesses who are lined up to testify during trial. So all I can say is that the state is ready to proceed and we still believe that they all have a case to answer.
Lelicala hlisele lesithathu evikini lelitako.
Sikwexwayise-ke mbukeli ngekuthi lo mbiko lolandzelako uyalumela kulaba labavelako munye walaba labanokuwetanga elicansi ngonkosinathi phakathi uthi usabhutsa kabe ebusuku ngaleso sehlakalo nalo bese sineminyaka leminyeni sendeka bekade iminyaka le-18 nakagagadlelwa ngeminyaka we-2016 kunalo khethe kungadiwa lwagagadlelwa ngiphakathi lokhulumisene nebetindzaba te-SABC nacetha kuphuma sijubo lokuganga wakwenda kusukela nga-2012 kuya ku-2021 ubukene nemacala lang-148 lafaka ekhathi langu-89 egagadlela langu-42 ekufumba nalasithupha ekuphocelela abantwana ukuthi babukele bandvu bendalicansi kulamanye.
Lona ngilomunye lo wake wagagadlelwa ngunkosinathi phakathi akwethusi ke ukuthi akafuni kwatiwa njengoba linyindi lalabo labagagadlelwa basethuke kakhulu ukuthi bangakhuluma ngalelanga lesehlakalo phakathi wamekhama waphinza wamganza.
Took me to a railway because I didn't really know that place at that time. As I said, that I had visited my mom because it was school holidays. It's not okay to say that I'm happy that he was castrated, but I'm happy that his leg got amputated. I'm sorry, his leg got amputated on that day because this gives him less power, obviously, and he can't do whatever that he did on us.
Lo mncane kubo bonke lake bagagadlelwa nguphakathi uneminyaka leyimfica. Abe baheha ngalesikhathi baya noma babuya esikolweni waze wabadlwengula nasesontweni. Judge Lisigo Makolomakwe.
The accused has pleaded guilty freely and voluntarily, and he admitted all the essential elements of the charges or the offences with which he has been charged.
Bufakazi be-DNA lobuhlanganisa phakathi nalamaqala linyindi lalabo labagagadlelwa bangamantombazane lasemajiji abetenda ngathi umagesana nakafika etindlini talabo labagagadlelwa kanti lo hhovisi lemshushisi lisemukela usincumo lo mkamahanjana we-NPA.
The matter was postponed to the 8th and 9th of December for pre-sentence report and a continuation of the sentence, as the state will be asking the court to impose a sentence that will send a strong message.
Bamili bemsolwa bafake isicelo sokuhlolwa kwengqondo yemdlenguli.
Kuletinye ke nasibuye itolo bafunzi besikole semabanga laphakeme ilwaphungu eShungani ngaphandle kancane nje kwemusina eLimpopo bathi kweselakala kwemagumbi ekufunza kunemthelela lomubi. Asiphinze sikwamukele mbukele Tindzaba tesiSwati la SABC 1 sichubeka nato. Bahlali bemkhukhu yasemzamo omhle eEast London sebaqale ukuhlanganisa impilo kabusha ngemva kokuthi lenzawo ihlaselwe ngumlilo ngelisonvo dingamashumi indlu letishe kulomlilo kepha ke bandvu labathikamedekile kulesehlakalo basinzile balinganiselwe ekhulwini nemashumi lasithupha abantu labakhahlametekile kanzi kusaphenywa imbangelo yalomlilo. Bafunzi besikole semabanga laphakeme ilwaphungu eChungayi ngaphandle kancane nje kwasemusina eLimpopo bathi kweselakala kwemagumbi ekufunza kunemthelela lomubi emalungiseleleni abo elihlolo lokuphela kweminyaka labanye bebafunzi bafunzela ngaphansi kwetihlahla ngesikhathi labanye bamiyetelene kulamagumbi lakhona lesikolo sine bafunzi labangemakhulu lasiphohlongo emagumbi ekufunzela lasithupha nalamane langumahamba nendlwane langakaneli kuthi labafunzi bafunze.
Sakhiwo sinye lesinemagumbi lamane ekufunzela lesakhiwa ngeminyaka 2002. Lamagumbi lamabili akhiwa ngumphakathi ngemva kweminyaka. Ngeminyaka 2009 litiko letemfundo lafaka emagumbi ekufunza labo mhamba nendlwane. Lesakhiwo asisekho esimene lesikahle kanti futhi kuphepha akusekho. Lamagumbi asetshenziswa abafunzi bakamatriculation kanti lamagumbi abafunzi bemabanga aphansi agcwele ayaphuphuma.
We don't have enough class for us to study. And it's very difficult, especially when it's raining. The graded learners doesn't have classes to learn.
Even the teachers, they aren't enough to attend to us.
Batali basitsembiso tekwakha emagumbi ekufunzela lamasha likhishi kanye nesakhiwo sabotishela tikagcino.
But so far so good, we don't have the proper accommodation of our learners. Our learners are writing their examination under trees.
Litiko temfundo lesifunza liphilala ngemhlanje ukuthi kunebafunzi lababhala uhlolo lwabo phansi kwetihlahla.
As a department, we have seen the agency that we need to take at that school, and we can also confirm that we have allocated that school to one of our implementing agencies to start with the construction in the current financial year 2022-2023.
Ngalesikhathi betindzaba SABC bavashale isikole bathole ukuthi bafunzi belibanga lesiphohlongo labafundzela phansi kwesihlahla bebangekho ngenxa yokuthi bebangabhali lihlolo ngalelo langa.
Takhamuti takwaGuqa lekungilelinye lemalokishi asemalahleni eMpumalanga dithi gesi sohlala uhamba njalo ikakhulukazi kuletinyanga letisihlanu letengcile dithi lo masipala uyehluleka kulungisa ema-transformer gesi lapho kulenyanga lefile letinye takhamuti lebetfukuthele etigano linabo tibese tiyotitapela endzaweni yelichungechunge lwetitolo emva kwaloko ke tayokhela ngemlilo.
Lesikhathi takhamuti taselokishini kwaGuqa tite gesi kanti nekuphakelwa kwamanti kuthikametekile. Kutama ukuthi masipala lungisele simo takhamuti ngelo mbhikisho nodlame tavala tela temgwaqo longithela wayeke N4 kwashiswa nesakhiwo lesinetitolo letahlukene.
Lento leyenzeka izolo late bafika la mababuya le ku N4 bafike la bamoshe la ayisiphathanga kahle even nalabo abatshala izimali abajabulanga ngalendlela le kwenzeke ngakhona ngale community ifike la bafika baphula amashop.
Kulembhikisho kuthametekene ehlola amatikitsheni kwashiswa netimoto letimbili.
Sesilanda close to 2 months singana electricity still uyasipromisa ukuthi igezi izoba khona simalahleni sikhala kakhulu because angeke kuphile ngaphandle kwegezi even is affecta amanzi asikhona ukwathola because they say ama pumps aphushwa electrically so umphakathi emalahleni sidabuke kakhulu.
Kusenjalo amaphoyisa aqinisekise kushona komuntu lomsikato neminyaka lengama-50 kuyo lembhikisho. Kuthiwa uthuthule amaphoyisa lebekade athunyeleke uletha kuthula kuleya ndzawo.
Sikubutile ke mbukele ukuthi utivikela njani ekushayweni ngumbani uphendvule ngalendlela.
Singativikela ngokuthi sihlale etindlini siqinisekise ukuthi amafastelo kanye nemakhethenisi kuvaliwe kugwema lo mbane lokhona ngoba siyabona ukuthi lemvula itipha amandla kulamalanga.
Abantu abafaka ikhonkwane bebethele izulu libi kakhulu njengamanje. Enye into abantu amele beyiqaphele ukusebenzisa amafoni izulu liduma libaniza ifoni izulu lazwana nento eyibhethe nogesi phakathi.
Kudinga ukuthi sigweme ukusebenzisa tinto letisebenza ngegesi sithi gweme futhi nokuthi siwavale emafastelo kahle ngetindvango sivale futhi letinto letimanyako sitivale ngetindvango siqinisekise ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi letinto letifana leto tivalekile tinto letisebenza ngagesi asitisebenzisi kuze siphephe.
Kumele ukuthi sihlaliseke singahamba hambi nangabe lina futhi sifundzise nebantwana ukuthi bangadlali ngaphansi kwesihlahla nangabe litulu lina.
Lona ke ngumbono mbukeli SABC angeke ithweswe ngekudiphendvulela ngayo. Etimakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi ke lirandi lehlile nalicasaniswa netimali takulamanye mave. Kucala phaketa lamuhla simo selitulo siyalandzela nisale kahle.